Alright, welcome to the stream everyone. Today I am looking, so we got news at 9:45, right? And I'm looking for it to be the manipulation play, not the real move, and it will sweep say this minor buy side liquidity, and we also have a 1 hour bearish gap resting around this level too. So we've already tapped into this 1 hour bearish gap. I'd like to see price come up into this 1 hour, sweep this minor buy side liquidity, or even sweep London highs at 9:45, but at this point it's unrealistic to see price draw to that level for 9:45. Or we get at 9:45 a sweep of minor sell side liquidity, and I want to see a sweep of London lows. Then we can look for price and then target London highs. So either a sweep of these two levels at 9:45 as a manipulation play would be ideal, and then we can target the opposing liquidity. Are you using it? No, just the same mic, So let's see what we get at 9:45. I'm just looking to see, as it currently stands, it looks like price at 9:45 is going to come down and sweep London lows, and then we can look for the real move to happen where we can target London highs. How's the quality of this stream? Can you lot hear me? And is the quality good? It's not like it's not low pixel or whatever. This week's not been the best. We've been on a 19-week winning streak, and as it currently stands, it looks like this might be the week which breaks it. But it's not. There's nothing that's going to affect me, and it's not going to affect us at all. It's just what happens, and it's part of trading. And obviously, you can't just win 52 weeks out of the year. I know maybe some traders have done that in the past, but this will probably be the week which breaks it for us. We've had some amazing weeks which have gone past us, and the past few weeks they've been here and there. You know, not been the biggest weeks. March was a massive month for us, and so was February and January, all the way through the winter months. And then just last week we caught like zero losing trades, and it was about 4 out of 4 trades last week, so it was a great week. And then this week's not been the best, but you win some and you lose some. As long as you're risk management and you're patient, then you're always going to come out on top. 8%, yeah. It usually has around like 5 to 10 seconds of lag from this YouTube stream, so that's why I always send the signals into the group in live time, so you guys get the notification before, like just not a 10-second delay, because price can move quite fast, as you can see. But remember to take all the trades which we do take. If we take any trades today, remember half risk and stay at half risk until you catch a winning trade. And if you stick to that, it's almost impossible to blow your account, because say you have a drawdown of 2.5k and you usually risk 25 handles on one contract, and that would be $500. You half your risk to 250, you would have to take almost like over 10 losses in a row to blow that account. And if you took over 10 losses in a row, then trading's probably not for you. You'd have to go back to the drawing board and reevaluate whether you know how to trade or not. Alright, so we got news coming out in 45 seconds. Let's see if price draws to London lows and we get a lovely sweep of London lows. You see here, ES has already taken London lows, and NQ has swept this minor sell side liquidity prior to the news at 9:45. So it'll be interesting to see how price reacts at 9:45. Bear in mind, ES has swept London lows, so that is very nice. It's good to see that. Alright, this is lovely. So news has come out at 9:45, and it looks like price is drawing down, and we're going to get a sweep of London lows. I'm wondering if ES has any more sell-side liquidity, which is just swept as well. Yeah, so it's just swept this level at 525. It's very close to London lows as well, and it's filling all of these 15-minute bullish gaps at the same time as well. Alright, so this is looking very clean. This is our displacement level, and we've now swept London lows, and I'm looking for a displacement higher inside of this macro. So I want to see price displace higher within like the next 10 minutes, and then we can target this minor buy sell liquidity, and we'll also target London highs as our final TP. So let's see if we get a displacement higher. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. I'm just going to be patient and see if we get that displacement higher. ES is also correlated there and thereabouts. This will be a bullish SMT as well. So if NQ starts to displace higher now, we would have a bullish SMT, and then ES would displace through this level. So it'd be a very clean setup. Yeah, so off this 1 minute bullish gap here, I'm going to see how it respects it, and then we're going to run our stop at the lows, and then target the minor buy side liquidity. I'm going to be entering long off this 1 minute bullish gap. So we'll target this minor buy side liquidity, and we'll run our stop at around 17 handles. So let's see if it gives us an entry. I won't be taking this 1 minute bullish gap here because there's no place for a valid stop. You'd have to run a stop, as you can see here, you'd have to run a stop of around 33 handles for it to be a valid stop. So I won't be taking this 1 minute bullish gap. I'm looking for a tap into this either 3 minute bullish gap or the 2 minute, because the 1 minute don't offer a good risk to reward. So price should offer us a better risk to reward for an entry off this 2 minute, and then we'll be in. So we have to run around a 24 handle stop on this trade. Alright, so we entered long off a tap on that 2 minute bullish fair value gap, and this is a clean setup. We got our first TP at 25 handles, and then our second TP just below this previous swing high at around 50 handles, and then our final TP is at the opposing liquidity. You could run your final TP at London highs, and it would be from our entry, which was at 53.50. You could run it to London highs and it'll be 131 handles. So that is a realistic target, but I'm going to target this minor buy side liquidity for 91 handles. Alright, so that's TP1 hit, and now obviously we're going to move our stops to this previous swing low, not to break even because there's a high chance it will come to break even, but just below break even around 948, so it means we'd secure profit today, and then that's pretty much it. It's not been the best week, and if we go all the way to final TP, which it should happen by 11 a.m., it will recover the majority of the trades from this week and put us sitting around break even for the week or just above. I haven't really calculated it yet, but this was a very clean setup. We had a clean setup yesterday as well, but we ended up taking, I believe, the wrong trade. We entered long and there was a very clean setup to go short, and it went all the way to the lows. And then today we had another very clean setup. We swept London lows, displaced higher. We executed inside of the macro. We also had like medium impact news, and there you have it. And then I'm trading 2 contracts because of half my risk. And now we've taken a winning trade, we can return back to full position size. At second TP, I'll be closing out another 20% on my FTMO accounts, and then at final TP, that's it. You can run your final TP. You could make this a third TP and have final TP at London highs, but I've made my final TP to be these highs here. But if it takes these minor buy side levels here at around 10:40, you can expect the last 20 minutes towards 11 a.m. for it to take London highs as well. But I'll be fully out of this position at this level. Alright, cool. So I just closed out another 20% on the FTMO accounts, and that's second TP smashed. So we're closing at around 50.5 handles in profit at the moment, and I'm floating with around 30% of the original position size in at the moment. Let's see some W's in the chat. It's not been the best week, I know, but the good weeks and bad weeks, they come and they go. So TP2 currently got smashed to the tick. Easy gain state. Make sure to move your stops to break even, and also edit your stops at the same time so you don't get triggered to go short if it does to come back to our stops. But this is why it's very important, because I always know a better day's coming, because I've been trading for a long time now, and it's like, even when you have a losing streak, I've had plenty of losing streaks, and trust me, I've had plenty of winning streaks, which almost sound unheard of. In the winter months, we took 16 wins in a row, and then we took 1 9-handle loss And then people was asking like, what's going on? Why are you taking a 9 handle loss? Because they were so used to taking wins. It's almost like we won every single day. And this trade should be done and it'll be all over with by 11 a.m. It looks like it's probably going to go all the way to London highs, but I'm only just running it to this level here. But the losses shouldn't phase you because you half your risk and you're not taking big losses. So they're just like small chips away at your account, and your margin, your max drawdown is slowly getting closer and closer, but it's slowly getting closer because you half your risk. That's why it's key to half the risk and just have patience. Don't just take a loss and then look for more trades in that trading session. Just be done for the day and come back the next day, because that's what's going to make you the most money. Everyone's here to make money. You're not here to jump back into the market trying to revenge trade. That's not going to make you money, so why are you doing it? Yeah, I personally use market orders. I find it's the best way to get the best entry, because sometimes if you use limit orders, you would have got a better entry if you use market orders, because it like gets into that fair value gap a bit more, and then you can get a cleaner entry. It's entirely up to you, but I like to almost monitor price and see how it respects that fair value gap before I just enter with a limit order. So I just found with experience that market orders work the best for me. Yeah, so price respected as it currently stands. There's 15-minute bearish gap, and it looks like we trailed our stops to 96275. So it'll be interesting to see if it takes us out. We've secured 50 handles on the day, so I'm not bothered, and if we get taken out, it's not a problem. I don't understand your question. What amount of money do you recommend to withdraw from prop firms to not be banned? I don't understand the question. You can withdraw as long as it meets their criteria. You can withdraw as much as you like. Like if you make 50k on your 150k account, you can withdraw 50% from Top Step. It's not a problem. So I don't really understand that question. Unless you're like breaking their terms and conditions, which they do have a lot of, to obviously make you lose. There you go. So we've just got taken out. We secured 50 handles on the day. Yeah, going back to that anyway. So yeah, if you breach their terms and conditions, they'll do anything to not pay you out. Alright, that's me out of the trade there as well. Yeah, easy gains on the day, so that's it. 50 handles secured, swept London lows. Lovely trade today, and it would have been a lovely trade yesterday, but we ended up taking the wrong trade. So that's us done for the week, and obviously we'll be back next week. And I hope you guys enjoyed that trading session from today. Recovered the majority of the losses which we have taken this week, so alright, anyways, so thanks for tuning into this stream, and we had a nice trading session today. I've got a few things I need to sort out and get on with, so I'm going to end the stream here, and hope you guys have a great weekend. I will be dropping a YouTube video on Sunday with a full breakdown trade, possibly of the one we took today, and that'll be it. So I'll see you guys in the next stream and next week on Monday to see what we get.